Welcome to one of a handful of videos that I'm doing to drill into the different components that I have on my truck camper. Today we're looking at the BougeRV portable refrigerator. This particular model is 23 quarts. It's a single chamber. The temperature range is -7 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It can run off of 120 volt household current, or it can run off of a 12 volt plug-in that you have. I don't know what we call those anymore. Do we call those cigarette lighter adapters or 12 volt sockets? Whatever, but I think you know what I'm talking about. So I've got this thing filled up, and I'm just going to show you what 23 quarts looks like. So if you ask me, this is plenty of refrigerated food to keep one guy traveling by himself, well fed for a couple of days. And of course, the dry goods would be packed in other crates. So plenty of capacity for what I need it for. So when I'm driving, the fridge rides up front. When I'm parked, I bring the fridge to the back and I plug it into the inverter. It runs off of 45 watts and off of 12 volts. That's about 3.7, 3.8 amps. So it's very efficient. I've had this since September and I've been very happy with it.